capabilities of editing data directly from reports. This is necessary when the information on the screen doesn't match the actual transactions. Let's open a report, for instance, the sales report. On the screen, we have the standard filtering window for reports, and from here, we'll activate the corresponding sales report. On the right, on the Assistant panel, we have the option for quick editing of the nomenclatures. When we enable this field, all the nomenclatures that can be altered, such as item names or partner names, become hyperlinked. It's very simple to click on the respective item and directly edit it from the report. The same goes for the corresponding partner. If the company name isn't Bobita, but is something else, we can select the data and thus select the corresponding nomenclature for editing. We can change the data directly without the need to navigate to the respective program menu. After altering the data, they automatically reflect within the program itself. Another interesting capability is the option to reprint data directly from the report when we have a document, for instance, document number 10. By selecting Reprint, the document will be recreated on the screen. Similarly, we can create an edit on the document. For instance, we can change the quantity, adjust the price, or even add a new item. For example, adding 3 new items and saving the document back. Once we've modified the document, the report for that document number 10 will contain the new data. We can see that the chosen document contains the data we've changed. This way, the program allows direct document editing from the report. Here's our document. We can modify the data, adjust quantities, prices with just a click on the Edit Document operation. Additionally, from the reports, we have the ability to create a new document. For instance, we might want to replicate document number 3 or modify it in a different view. You can select all rows from document number 3. We can also include data from another document. Then we choose to create an offers operation and create the operation. The program automatically inputs all items with their respective quantities and prices from the report into the new operation. This is extremely convenient when making identical sales, such as subscriptions, or making deliveries from the same suppliers, like fresh sour milk, spare parts, and other items. Instead of entering all operations from scratch, you can run a report for the previous calendar delivery, select all the items, and create a new operation after entering them. And so we've created an offer operation from our report. Let's save it. Through the Reports menu, you can manage quantities, items, and nomenclatures. An even more interesting aspect is that all reports are alike. This report we've created is for sales, but similarly to this one, we can create a report for purchases. Through the same menu, we can select Purchases, open the data window, and perform the same operations as nomenclature editing, reprinting the document, document editing, creating a new operation, and many other such possibilities. One of the great advantages of MICROINVEST is that at any given moment, you can enter an email and the corresponding report can be sent without any additional actions to the client's email. For example, we select an email and then send the data directly to the recipient. Simply press the Send button and the report will be dispatched. Explore the reports in MICROINVEST Warehouse Pro. They are the most useful part of the program and give you a complete insight into